Welcome, viewers. Today, we're going to walk you through the seamless process of connecting wireless CarPlay and MirrorLink for your iPhone using the Tlink5 app. Let's dive right in. Firstly, ensure you have the Bluetooth app open to check your device's Bluetooth name and password. Locate the CarKit_Blink on your iPhone, and when prompted, enter the password 0000. Now, head over to the Tlink5 app and wait for the connection to establish. You'll notice the option to switch between CarPlay/AA and MirrorLink on the Tlink5 screen. The connection is swift, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music on CarPlay in no time. Siri integration ensures hands-free message playback, enhancing your overall driving experience. When you're ready to disconnect wireless CarPlay, simply open the Wi-Fi settings and disconnect. For those who prefer the convenience of auto connection, activate the background connection option in the Tlink5 settings. Next time, a double click on your iPhone's Bluetooth name is all it takes to automatically connect to CarPlay. It's worth noting that while iPhones support wireless mirroring, both wired and wireless mirroring are compatible with Android phones. Now, let's explore switching to wireless mirroring. Activate your iPhone hotspot and connect it to the head unit. Once successfully connected, launch the Tlink5 app. Navigate to the screen mirroring section and select ZJ AirPlay on your iPhone. Keep in mind that during MirrorLink usage, you'll only be able to control the mirrored content on your iPhone, not on the head unit. As demonstrated, wireless mirroring allows you to mirror videos seamlessly to the head unit. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly connect wireless CarPlay and MirrorLink for iPhone using the Tlink5 app.